Start.
Hi.
Hi.
This is Dolgori Port. Welcome. And we're taking picture. And that is the office of Dolgori. As you can see. Sami. Pugi.
Pugi.
Okay.
Yee.
We're taking picture at the port.
Okay, what kind of port?
Fish port.
Fish port. Oh. So, how's you taking a picture? You like professional? You like James Bond? You're like a spy. Something you make photos. Layo.
Okay.
Okay, and
You can see some people diving.
where? Odiga?
Diving.
Okay. What's the? It is very scary. I don't want.
Okay. And some are parasailing. And
Where?
jet ski and diving. And many more.
Oh, many more.
You like fishing?
I like fishing. I like eat fishy. I'm a fishitarian. And how's up? Okay. Go. The gopo was blowing. He's going to Manila, I guess.